that you downloaded my newest floor plan design inspiration book. I've gotten lots and lots of questions, which is amazing. And the question that I continue to get over and over and over is, how much does all of this stuff cost? Like, seriously, Angela. So to make it super, super easy, I decided to just post my service agreement just so you could see yourself exactly what I use with our clients. And if you get it now, that sounded like a stinking info commercial, but I made a video explaining to you exactly how we use the service agreement or contract, whatever you want to call it, so you know exactly how to explain these things to your clients. Because planning and logistics and doing the floor plan is something totally different than creative design. So if you don't know the difference, and your contract doesn't have that, you're leaving a lot of opportunity on the table. So download it now. And hey, if my video doesn't explain everything, just reach out to me directly. I'm happy to hop on the phone and answer any questions for you. So click below, download now. Don't wait another minute. And thank you to all of you so much for asking so many awesome questions.